Mommy and you
bird
chasing the birds. Chasing the birds.
We're on a bird hunt.
Viña del Mar, the south side of Santiago. Mom trying to get you to... Mom's chasing the birds, and the staff is chasing the birds away.
We're on a bird hunt.
Charlie Rose, look at that. Oh my goodness.
She's pointing at everything down there.
Looking at dogs.
She's totally fascinated.
There's a pelican down
look
there.
At her, she's pointing.
Pelican.
You missed
And
it.
there's scuba divers just on the other side of Mommy there and you. Right, fun. That's beautiful. There's Sheraton, Viña del Mar. There's Aunt Casey. Hello.
Hello.
Right. So cool. Charlie Rose's first trip to Chile. Yeah, awesome. It's like the San Diego of Chile.